This is a beautiful old Super 88 Holiday hardtop. Happens to be for auction at the Mecum auction in Orlando at the Orange County Convention Center. Beautiful blue and white combination. I think my favorite combination, really. It has original AC. Interesting copper tubing here. And 371 tri-power under the hood. Not overly loaded with power equipment. Doesn't have power windows or seat, but does have power steering and brakes. And of course that AC is very important. And as usual with these two-tone cars, the interior is very colorful. Full fender skirts there, and we have a couple shades of blue with vinyl and fabric, and of course the white is a nice contrast there. And notice the chrome bows in the roof. Very impressive car. And you notice that divided back window, which was an interesting styling innovation. Very nice indeed. There you see the compressor. Very nice.